I think that the difference between OBS and Streamyard and the next one I'm going to show you is that OBS is sort of a gritty, like hands-in how to make something work. Whereas Streamyard is streamed for you very cleanly, simply, and clearly, and allows you to look at something so much easier. This is what you get to when you go to Streamyard itself on the internet. And if you scroll down the page, it gives you a ton of information and you can learn all about it. Streamyard is a free to begin with or upgrade paid software program that will help you look a lot more professional. The equipment you need: a microphone, you can use your phone or a webcam this time, headphones, lights, and a computer. They do have the free version. It does give you a lot. You can screen share, you can add banners, you can do on-screen comments. Just like Kim did here, that's an on-screen comment. So Streamyard allows you to do that, which I love. 6 on-screen participants, stream anywhere, Streamyard branding in your stream. So be aware that their logo is going to show up when you use the free version. And there are limitations. I believe right now they only allow you 20 hours a month of streaming. When you sign up, you can sign up monthly or annually. Annually is always cheaper if you prepay in full. Now, if you upgrade to the basic version, it's only $20 a month, but it's billed annually, so you'll be paying the full amount when you pay the 20 bucks. But you get everything in the free version, plus there's no Streamyard branding, it's just your branding, unlimited streaming, you don't have any time limits. You can have 10 on-screen participants, which is a lot. You know, that's really a lot. You can use logo and overlays and backgrounds. What that means is green screen. You can add green screen in and use custom background. You can do custom RTMP destinations. You can record 4 hours of streaming. You can do multi-stream to 3 destinations, so you can stream to YouTube and Facebook and even LinkedIn if you want to, all at the same time. And then there's the professional version, which gives you additional options. The difference between Streamyard and other software systems is that Streamyard is only on your browser. You do not download it to your computer. It's on a browser. You sign into Streamyard and you sign up and sign into Streamyard when you want to use it. It's only available for 3 browsers: Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. So if you have Safari, it will not work on Safari. You will have to use either Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. To get started, you just launch one of your browsers, you sign up for Streamyard, you connect a destination to stream, and you create a broadcast and go live. It truly is that simple. Now, so why did Sal and I stop using it? We stopped using it because even though we liked it, it was very easy to use, I say, Streamyard.
It was. And
well, the reason that we switched is because though Streamyard is wonderful and it's for PC and Mac, Ecamm is just for Mac, and we are Mac users. And so that was number 1, and number 2 is cheaper. Right. So,
but all the features are targeted towards Mac.
Here in Streamyard, features are targeted to everybody. So if you have a PC or you have a Mac, you can use it. Some of the features are adding lower thirds, branding with themes, which is super cool. You can add overlays, your logo. You can add backgrounds when you do a green screen. You can share your screen like I did when I showed you what it looked like online. You can play intros and outro videos. You can multi-stream. So if you don't know anything about Streamyard, but you're curious and you want to find out, do I want to use this? Use this beginning tutorial from Streamyard itself on how to go live. And you go to YouTube and it is Streamyard, that's the name of their channel, and that's the link for it, but it'll be super simple to find under beginner tutorial. They also have a tutorial on how to use green screen with Streamyard, and this is awesome because it does show you all of the different ways and things that you can do and use to create backgrounds and all kinds of fun stuff. And that's fantastic for when you're doing courses. That's fantastic for when you're showing products or selling products. Green screen is a fantastic effect to use. The other tutorial that I thought was really great was this multi-stream tutorial on how to stream simultaneously to different platforms like Facebook groups, YouTube, and LinkedIn at the same exact time. So here are the stream options actually. YouTube, a Facebook group, LinkedIn, Periscope, and Twitch. And you can also stream to a website, which is so interesting that you can do that. You can add guests, you can share your screen, and here is a super cool option is that you can hire someone to set the whole thing up for you so that you don't even have to think about how do I do this. And Streamyard offers certified people like this guy who will help you set the whole thing up. I'm Sherry Barbera. This is Azumi, YouTube for Business. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you like it, and share it with someone who needs to know about it, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video.